What up, guys? It's Alex here with your March 31st Thursday outlook. And yeah, let's get started. So share my screen with you guys. All right, first up we got is NU. And looks like it's in that support zone and the 0.5 and the 0.618 reversal zone as of now on the 4-hour. And we're hoping it could reject this, go like that, reject here, and then hit this zone all the way up here, because that's the next and last previous zone around here. So we can hopefully target this area, and then it can continue going up and following this trend line right here. Yeah. All right. Next one is AUDU on the 4-hour. It looks like it's been debating. The buyers and the sellers, they've been fighting over this market, and they might fight for a while, but I can see two scenarios happening. It could go down, retest here. Hold on. See better than they go down here, the support zone, and then go up. Or it could break this zone, the right here, that's on right now, then retest back on the zone. So right now it will be a resistance, and then it will turn to support if and when it breaks this zone. Come back up, retest, not the now support zone, and then go back up. So that's the two scenarios as of now. You have to wait to see what it does inside this box. Next one is EURJPY on the 4-hour. And on the weekly, you can see there's a kangaroo tail printing out. The daily looks like it's bearish. And on the 4-hour, I might send this as a signal later today. And if and when it breaks this zone, you can put a sell stop and then target all the way to the next zone down here, since it's having a very big bearish impulse down. And also it broke this upward trend line. You see, like that, and it broke it right here. And then already closed on the 4-hour. So there's like 3 confirmations already for this one. Might send this as a signal later on. And next up is EURU. And similar situation to AUDU. It's in that 0.5 and the 0.618 golden zone. And here's a support zone down here. Right here, you can see it better on the line chart. And hopefully it can go retest and go back all the way over here, somewhere here or up here. And then we can start taking buys once it breaks this resistance zone. Something like that. Like that. All right. That's EURU. Next up is CADJPY. Similar situation to EURJPY. It's printing out a very, very big kangaroo tail on the weekly and bearish impulses on the daily and the 4-hour. So you can also set another stop loss around here. I mean, stop loss here, and continue all the way down to the next zone down here. That's gonna take a while, but first we have to wait till tomorrow for this kangaroo tail on the weekly to print out as it is right now. So hopefully it can do it. Next up is USDJPY, the daily, big bearish impulse, and I'm hoping it could come to this support zone down here, because the support zone is right there, and there's also the trend line that's been making for the past few months or so. Can hopefully come here to a support and the trend line to go back up, and hopefully target somewhere around these zone. something like this. Once it goes back up, do something like that, and then target these next one. That you got to see if it can reach if it reaches on there. Next up is UJ on the 4-hour in the spotted a head and shoulder pattern on the 4-hour, and as well as with EURJPY, it's printed out in another kangaroo tail on the weekly. So I might send this out to signal as well, and it will look something like this so far. Target this zone down here, the previous zone that was at before this big bullish impulse. And you can see it better in the line chart, and the right shoulder didn't break the left shoulder, so it's a big head and shoulder confirmation. So might send this out as a signal as well. And there's also the kangaroo tail on the weekly. So yeah, sells soon, hopefully. And lastly, got GJ, and again, similar situation, kangaroo tail, weekly, big, and just hoping it can break this zone right here, the support. And it is a slight head and shoulder, kind of crooked. The right shoulder didn't form as well, but still it tried. And again, similar situations, sells, sells, sells. Oops, let me undo that. And target the last one that was either here or down here. And yeah, that's all I got, guys. And I'll see you in the next one, and take care.